Trust me, I'm all for measurement, but there's something to be said about brand. And what's not being said in the B2B SaaS community is how... Guys, Garrett Mehrguth here. On today's 2 Minutes of SaaS, we're going to talk about something really important. And that's why measuring everything is hurting your brand. Okay? What I want you to do today is think about what it was like in that Nike room. What was going through those strategists' heads, those advertisers and marketers' heads when they put together some of the powerful ads that gives me tingles when I watch them, where they're really highlighting athletes breaking through, bridging the gap between different demographics and race, and they're actually taking today's social justice issues head on. I would love to know what was going on in the room, and if anyone was like, yeah, but what's going to be our cost per shoe from this campaign? How many Air Maxes do you think we'll sell when we run this? That mentality is what we have in B2B SaaS, is that we have to measure everything, and we have to know what the LTV CAC is on any and everything. And trust me, I'm all for measurement. I'm all for financial, sales-driven marketing, sales first, marketing second. But there's something to be said about brand. And what's not being said in the B2B SaaS community is how we can take the values of the executive team, of the product, of our culture, and integrate that into our brand advertising. How can we start to tell stories that make our ideal customer persona want to work with us more after they watched it than before? How can we start to put our brand and our values first and foremost and know quarter over quarter it's going to have an impact? Even if we don't see it at the channel level, even if we don't see it at the product level, how can we trust our gut and start to stand for something, put a flag in the ground, and have a brand that believes? And to me, that's something so critical. And so if we measure everything, we can never get there. So how can you now start to chew on this idea of how do we get our values first and foremost in front of our ideal customers and compel them to work with us because of our brand story? Thanks, and that's the video. Bye, guys.